Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone and laptop. Make sure your cellular plan allows tethering and the phone has good signal. Once done, enable the mobile hotspot on the phone, set an SSID and a strong password, and choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Make sure to plug the phone into power if needed, because hotspot drains battery fast. You do this to ensure the laptop will see a stable network and to avoid mid-transfer dropouts. Now, on the laptop, you open Wi-Fi settings and scan for the phone SSID you created, selecting it connects you. Enter the password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so type exactly, and choose to save the network if you plan to reuse it. If the laptop won't see the SSID, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or briefly enable airplane mode to reset radios. This often resolves detection issues. Also, make sure the laptop is set to obtain IP automatically, so it receives a valid address from the phone. Complete the setup by verifying internet access, load a web page, or run a ping to confirm. If the connection is slow, try switching the phone to the other band, move the devices closer, or stop background updates and streaming on either device. Make sure to monitor data usage to avoid overage charges. If connectivity fails, restart the phone's hotspot and reboot the laptop's network adapter. This simple loopback often clears
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.